Hello, good day. This is Patrick Lazaro Laswerte, and this is the project of line following robot, and this is the track of the robot where it should follow the line, and I made it a circle so it can run it circular. So this is the robot. It has a two um, infrared sensor, one switch, two motor, and inside there is a driver IC, and of course a lot of wires. So this is the front and this is the back. So let's turn it on. So there's a button here. So as I turn on it here, you can see there's an indicator of the sensors. So as I place it in the track, the line follower robot emits light to the surface, and if the infrared reflected back to the robot, the wheel will turn on. Mostly in a white or light surface, the infrared will reflected, and the black or dark surface absorb the infrared. Thus, if the robot did not receive reflected infrared, the wheel or the motor will stop.